Hi, internship students. This is Dr. Rogers here. I feel like I haven't really been in touch with you this semester, but I have enjoyed reading your postings on discussion board, and so we are at the place where we are going to be writing our final paper for the class. Surprisingly enough, that's coming up really soon. So I just wanted to sort of go over the final paper and just tell you guys what I'm sort of looking for, okay? So there's a long assignment. It is under assignments, and then you go to grades and then assignments. And on the Dropbox where you would turn in your final paper, you will see this assignment, but I just kind of wanted to go over it. So each week you've been hopefully making connections between your internship and the coursework in your minor, or at least I've been asking you to. So for your final paper, I want you to identify an issue of importance to medical humanities scholars that you confronted during your internship. So your topic should refer back to at least 2 of the courses you have taken in the minor. All papers have to have a clear and focused statement of the issue, the relevance of the issue to medical humanities, and an analysis of the issue. Okay? So, by definition, an issue is something that we can debate, we can contest, we can discuss. So I don't want you to pick something that is not something that could be argued against, yeah? Therefore, an issue should be something that scholars in medical humanities might argue about, or at least discuss in more detail. In other words, your argument can be that your issue has really not been discussed in medical humanities and should be discussed in medical humanities. Examples include the issue of organ donation, social justice involving race, gender, sexual orientation, or gender identity, technology and its role in medicine, capitalism and its role in healthcare, lack of access, whether physical or intellectual, to healthcare, compassion in healthcare, religious values in healthcare, various interpretations of disability or disease, gender, more. There's a lot of them, and I can't think of everyone off the top of my head, but this is really important. For each course that you took within the minor, you need to cite at least one text that you read or watched. So it can be a film. I know a lot of us like to show films in the course. It should be a textbook, an educational film, an article, or something that you read and watched and learned from in the minor. Yeah? So a successful essay, and this is what I'm looking for, will have a clear and focused statement of the issue. What is the issue? A clear link to the field of medical humanities, and a detailed analysis of the issue. Yeah? It also should be grammatically clean with an engaging introduction and a conclusion that gestures toward why this issue matters in our field. And of course, and I don't think I put this on the assignment page, but it stands to reason that your issue should be something that you encountered during your internship and something you can write about in reference to your internship, which is of course the whole class. All sources should be cited. I don't care how you cite it, APA, MLA, Chicago, but you need to cite it, and in a reference works cited page as well. So cited in text and in a references works cited page. Okay, and those are due at the end of the semester. I'm trying to remember. Let's see if I have a due date on the syllabus. Let me check on that. If I don't have a due date on the syllabus, then I will, in this email that I'm going to send you, I'm going to get back to you with an actual, yeah, it looks like I do not. So I'm going to get back to you with an actual due date for this paper, okay? So good luck on it. Please do finish the discussion board postings if you haven't finished them yet. And also don't forget to get documentation from your internship director about what you've been doing all semester long. I don't have a specific form for them to fill out, but I would request that they please write a letter as to, what you've been doing for your internship, how you've been working in your internship, and why you've been valuable to their organization. Okay, so I'm going to be looking for all of those things as I tabulate your final grades. If you guys have any questions or concerns, please feel free to email me. My email is right there, and also come to my office hours come make an appointment with me to Zoom. I'm happy to talk to you all. Okay? Hang in there for the end of the semester. Bye.